Didn't understand a word you said. Not a damn word you said. Nothing. I heard you said some things like light and dark. Some of those words I get it. Let me ask you this, because I know you're.
I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster.
Oh, the Jeff Richards show.
Oh. Go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass. Why don't you do that, doctor?
It's either been a week or it's been
No. Your real name is Bradley Henry Gerstenfeld. Name like
Nut in your butter?
In my butter.
Do you do that? Is that a nighttime regimen? Is there something you don't tell people about your hair?
And Bill Murray was kind enough that he wanted to give you props.
We're growing up with that name, indeed. I think that's why
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened.
Was it easier having been?
You ready to? No.
They ate a papillon. Where is my...
No,
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.